The M&A market for financial institutions in Germany is very active due to an overall trend towards consolidation in the sector. This is due to regulatory pressure, the low interest rate environment, and the fact that there's a very high number of financial institutions. The Landesbanken are currently undergoing many changes. These banks have traditionally been owned by federal states. Apart from fintechs, which are an investment focus in many countries, these banks can be attractive takeover targets in Germany due to their strong networks in the German economy. Their customers include large and medium-sized German companies, as well as institutional investors and wealthy private clients. HSH North Bank, now Hamburg Commercial Bank, has just been bought and privatized by a group of independent investors, including Cerberus and J.C. Flowers. This was the first privatization of a Landesbank in Germany, and we are proud to have advised J.C. Flowers on this process as lead counsel. Recently, there was also a bidding process regarding an investment in NordLB. Acquisitions and mergers involving Landesbanken are definitely on the agenda. Landesbanken are state-owned banks. This means that many aspects of the takeover of a Landesbank have to be dealt with in the context of tight legal framework, of national financial regulatory laws, and European state aid laws. Challenges include taking the Landesbank out of the institutional protection system of the German state-owned banks and putting it into the deposit protection scheme of the German private banks, as well as dealing with the guarantor liability of the federal states for certain liabilities of the bank. The successful acquisition and privatization of HSH Nordbank has shown that these risks are not insurmountable. Aspects of this takeover may serve as a blueprint for further transactions. Certain private equity funds are particularly attracted to investing in German banks and have high levels of dry powder for such investments. In addition to the acquisition of HSH Nordbank, many other interesting transactions have taken place in the last 12 months in Germany, such as the sale of the Comdirect subsidiary eBase in an auction process to a private equity investor. There are currently a number of opportunities available. And due to the state of the larger German private banks compared to their foreign competitors, we also see a political discussion about the need for a strong German bank which could ensure the financing of German companies in a crisis, and rumors about a possible mega merger involving one or more of the market leaders persist in the German financial institutions M&A market.